Good afternoon, folks. Ray Bassett. I'm here at my home studio. I'd like to share a video with you from the past. About 12 years ago, we had Channel 11, KHOU here in Houston, come visit us at the gym and interview some of our clients that were on hormone replacement therapy. So we've been in the hormone replacement therapy business for quite a while, about 20 years now. So anyway, they noted us and featured us in a segment, and I'd like to share that with you. It's coming up. So one gentleman is 83 years old. His name is Mike, and he had been on hormone therapy for 7 years. And it was brought to my attention from his cardiologist, who actually happened to be another client of mine. And she said to me that, does it seem like, Mike's kind of losing it, or not as sharp as he used to be, I should say. And I said, yeah, he is. He's not quite as energetic as he used to be, and he's not as quick on his feet as he used to be. So we got him a blood test, very comprehensive one, that went through all of his testosterone, progesterone, estrogen, CRP, which is a marker for inflammation, A1C to find out about diabetes or pre-diabetic, and insulin to find out if they're insulin resistant. A lot of people are insulin resistant and don't know it. And when you have high levels of insulin in your body, it's almost impossible. It is impossible to lose fat weight. So a lot of times you may not be diabetic, but you may be insulin resistant. Through our blood test, we'll be able to determine that and then take the right plan of action to get you back in the game, so to speak. So anyway, sit back and enjoy this. Also, wait, we also have a lady on here who's 58 years old and was postmenopausal, and we got her on hormone replacement therapy also, and it changed her life. And you can see her story within this feature. So, all right, so sit back and enjoy, and if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Okay, and keep one thing in mind as you watch this video: if there is a will, there's a Ray.
Welcome back, everybody. It's now 6:14, the spare tire.
You don't have it.
It's right here. It's there.
Yeah.
It's right. You can't tell with clothes on. But losing weight can be frustrating.
Yeah.
Sometimes, no matter what you do, you just can't shed the pounds.
While a growing number of people are combining their workouts with hormone therapy. Is it a good idea? What is it? Sherman Chow has more.
Inside this unassuming little strip mall is a big idea, fighting age and weight with hormones prescribed right here.
And one. Good.
Michael Seacos is the poster boy for the gym at the tender age of
83.
How long you been taking the testosterone?
7 years.
And one. Good job. Perfect.
Cindy Cassio is 58 and has been on hormones for 8 years.
I'm a trainer now, and I actually started off as a client.
The before and after photos are impressive. Cindy lost 55 pounds, Mike lost 73 pounds. Gym owner Ray Bassett says the pounds drop off because of hormone replacement back to when you were
a 17 to 25-year-old, when you were probably in the best shape of your life.
Dr. Tamara Como, an OBGYN, works with the firm U. She likens their hormone therapy to birth control pill use.
I prescribed those hormones for 30 years.
Lose the weight. But Dr. Como, who is 47 and has used hormone replacement for years, says her clients' doctors know what's happening.
We stay in communication with their other physicians.
I can tell you the side effects. You have more energy. You feel better. You're more alert.
Bassett, who is 56, is a 10-year veteran of his own program. In Tomball, Sherman Chow, KHOU 11 News.
So when